Welcome back to Curiosity Corner. First, a massive thank you to each and every one of you for helping us hit 1,000 subscribers. You're officially part of our growing curious community, and I couldn't have done this without you. So here's a question to kick us off. What's a science breakthrough you're most curious about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Imagine a world where engines don't rely on burning oil or coal. Instead, they're powered by something so strange and powerful, it seems straight out of science fiction. Quantum entanglement. Yeah, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into the mind-bending world of quantum engines. Buckle up, because this could change everything we know about energy. So what is quantum entanglement anyway? Let's simplify it. Imagine you have two magic dice, no matter how far apart they are. One could be on Earth, the other on Mars. When you roll one, the other instantly shows the same result. It's like they're connected by some invisible thread outside the normal rules of space and time. Spooky, right? Einstein thought so too, and famously called it spooky action at a distance. But here's the kicker. Researchers are now tapping into this phenomenon to build engines. Here's where it gets wild. Traditional engines, like the one in your car, work by burning fuel to create heat. That heat is then converted into motion, but a lot of energy gets wasted. Quantum engines? Totally different ballgame. Instead of fuel, they use entangled particles. Imagine this. These particles share energy through their entangled states. Researchers discovered that by carefully manipulating this entanglement, you can extract work without losing energy to heat. Essentially, the engine runs on quantum weirdness rather than physical fuel. Mind blown yet? Here's a question for you. If we had zero-emission quantum engines, how do you think it would impact our fight against climate change? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's nerd out for a minute. These quantum engines work by tapping into a concept called entanglement entropy. This is like a quantum version of the laws of thermodynamics, which govern energy transfer in the physical world. Researchers found a way to make entanglement transformations reversible, meaning you can extract energy efficiently without losing the entangled state entirely. Here's the kicker. These engines could even operate in environments where traditional systems fail, like deep space or extreme conditions where fuel is hard to come by. Imagine a spacecraft powered by quantum engines, exploring the far reaches of the galaxy. Star Trek vibes, anyone? Now, before we all start scrapping our cars for quantum-powered ones, there are challenges. Building a quantum engine is still in the early stages. Scientists are figuring out how to scale this tech and make it stable enough for real-world applications. But hey, every revolutionary idea starts small, right? Think about it. Less than a century ago, quantum mechanics was just a bunch of math equations. Now it's powering computers, encryption, and possibly our future energy systems. It makes you wonder, what other crazy quantum ideas could reshape our world? Leave your wildest predictions in the comments below. So why should you care about quantum engines? For starters, they could help us transition to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. No burning, no emissions, just pure, mind-bending quantum physics doing the heavy lifting. Second, it pushes the boundaries of what we think is possible. Quantum engines remind us that science isn't just about solving today's problems. It's about unlocking the potential of tomorrow. Who knows? The next great energy revolution might start with this. All right, curious minds, now it's your turn. What do you think about this quantum engine idea? Revolutionary, or are we still dreaming? Share your thoughts below. And hey, if you love this journey into the quantum realm, give this video a like and share it with someone who's into futuristic tech. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. We've got even more mind-bending content coming your way. Thanks again for helping us reach 1,000 subscribers. Here's to the next milestone. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.